Are you stuck in guided access or trying to turn this feature off? Here's how to do it. If you don't know how to exit guided access, press the side power button 3 times. You'll see guided access open in edit mode with the end button at the top left corner. If you forgot the guided access passcode, you'll need to force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Wait for your iPhone to turn back on. Then enter your lock screen passcode. You're all set. To turn this feature off completely, follow the next step. Once you've successfully exited guided access, fully turn it off by opening the Settings app, scrolling to Accessibility, and then selecting Guided Access under the General section at the bottom. Turn off the toggle for guided access, and that's it. Now, triple-clicking the side button won't activate guided access anymore. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.